Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to talk quietly because it's quite late now. I filmed this at tea time and then it was ready for going on YouTube probably about 7:30. It's now 11:15 and it still hadn't uploaded, and it was 17 minutes long. So I've just gone back in, taken a couple of minutes off because I think it should just be 15 minutes, although it's saying I've got permission to upload longer videos. Oh, I'm so confused. I don't understand how it works. So anyway, I've had to re-edit it. So and my daughter's in bed, so I'm trying to be quiet. This set is inspired by Charlotte Pilgrim, as most of my sets are. You need to go on her YouTube channel and check her out. This set she called Grey Design Set, I think, using all CJP. I didn't have all the glitters and stuff that she used, so I kind of just used my own. So on this little nail we are using Ash, which I bought this week after seeing this set. This is why it's so naughty for me to watch her videos, because it ends up costing me money. Anyway, I've already put down the reverse application on the middle finger, as I always do first. I decided not to put crystal glass down on Handalina because I'm just wasting my money. So I thought I might as well just kind of, although I'll do that on real people, there's no point me doing that on Handalina, it's just literally a waste. So we've gone in with some pre-mixed, well, I say pre-mixed, I think I mixed it, silver glitter with some acrylic, and then I've added some other little bits of glitter on, and there's a fine glitter underneath, so there's about 3 glitters on there. I have no idea where they're from. They're probably from eBay or somewhere. They're certainly not from any of the main places that I get glitter from. Very similar to what Charlotte used, to be honest, but there's the fine glitter, so that's going down first. Hers was more of a silver acrylic, I think. I'm not quite sure. It was really pigmented. So anyway, she did a full nail of glitter, and then at the bottom she used a black and faded up. We don't normally do that. We usually do the tip first and fade and then put the cuticle area on afterwards, but anyway, this is Black Diamonds by CJP. But I know why now, actually looking back, I know why we did it this way, because we're going to go over it with the glitter on the top. So this is just used as a base underneath. And I've never done this technique before, and I think it worked really nicely. So I'll definitely be doing that again. And it's done in super speed, so you don't get bored. I haven't put any filing in on this set. Literally just 15 minutes is not long. By the time you've done your application, especially if you're using a few different colours and things. I just can't seem to fit the filing in or the prep. I don't know why, but I don't know, I suppose because I'm still learning how to use YouTube. I'm just finding it a nightmare tonight. I think it's my router is just so slow. I'm certainly going to be getting on the phone to talk tomorrow, because I'm sure I paid for super fibre broadband, whatever it's called. And I've done a test on it, and it's uploading at 3 megabytes or whatever it is, which is pretty shit, really. That's why it's taking like 2 hours to upload 17 minutes. So I've given, and it's aborted it twice, so I've given up. Anyway, back to the nails. I'm just having my little rant there. So encapsulated in crystal glass as usual. And I'm doing them as I go along. I was kind of watching Charlotte's video at the same time as I was doing these, so what she did, I did, whereas I would normally do my whole set first and then cap them all one at a time. This nail we used CJP Ash. This is a new colour, absolutely stunning. Charlotte's right, it is. I can see why it's one of her favourites. It's really nice to use, lovely colour. Would look really nice with the darker greys as well, which I've got, which I put on later on, which is the stone. It goes nice with this black, and I suppose any whites that you've got as well. Oh, excuse me. Yawning now, it's been a long day. Then I go in with the glitter that I've got, and then I go in with another glitter that I've got. This is the chunkier one, I think. And then I go in with ash, I think, again, and then some black diamonds at the bottom, and then encapsulate the whole nail. If you can hear some walking about, it's the cat has just jumped on the bed and she's purring. I don't know if you can hear her. So this nail, she didn't want it too uniformed, I think, or straight lines. It was more rustic looking, which I was quite glad about because I can't really do straight lines, not yet. But then I just go in and start faffing. Don't know what I was doing here, adding bits, moving bits around. Sometimes it's better just to put it on and leave it where you've put it. This is where I could have cut all my time out, I think. But I like to leave these bits in because it shows you that we're not perfect, and we are, you know, we're all learning, aren't we? And that what you see in the end product, there's a lot of faffing that goes on. Do you think I've left that nail alone? No, I haven't. There I go. I go back again, add in a bit more. I still don't think I've finished. No, a bit more black. Oh, that's ridiculous. Bit more glitter. Okay, I think that's finished on that now. I actually, we were talking about it on CJP's Facebook page the other night about pinching, and I said I don't pinch. I didn't pinch all the nails because I just couldn't be bothered, or I didn't have time, I don't know. So I pinched one anyway, and I forgot to look whether it had made any difference anyway, but I will have another look and tell you. Because some do it and some don't. Like this nail is a mix of black diamonds, ash and the silver. And it was just a case of swirl it all around, add a bit of silver into it, up those sides, make sure you get right up to the top, and then cap with crystal glass. So you need to keep your glitter quite thin, really. Just add in a few more little bits of ash there, which I really didn't need because it looked alright as it was. And then I'm just putting a little bit of black on the corner of that nail, which I'd forgot to do at the time, so I went back to do it. Fapping again. Oh, I did pinch more than one. So capping, oh excuse me, capping now in crystal glass, as usual. I didn't record any filing, like I said before, because I just didn't, just won't have time to upload it, so, but I just used my e-file and my hand file for the edges, and then went over with my blue buffer block. That's not easy to say when you're tired as well. And then used my guy in a white top coat. And that's the end of it really. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll leave you to watch the end of it. Thanks for watching as always, and I'll see you on my next one. I need to go to sleep now. See you all soon. Take care. Bye. Bye.